In today's world, the production of digital machines has skyrocketed to meet the global demand. And this is truly good news for the entrepreneurial spirit, because what this means is that business success is no longer exclusive to the mega companies and corporations. Now, the average person also has a shot at the market. If they can identify a need and produce the supply, and because the digital machines are constantly evolving in quality and capability, a newcomer to the industry can start small with the aim of progressing in time. And with the expansion of digital machine comes competition. Also a good thing because it helps keep costs realistic and achievable. Advanced Machinery, commonly known as AM.CO.za, is a well-established South African-based digital machine company that caters for the entire Southern African region. AM.CO.za specializes in the supply and maintenance of laser machines, large format printers, vinyl cutters, sublimation heat presses, screen printers, CNC routers, and much more. I took the liberty of visiting Advanced Machinery to get a feel of the company's aura.
As sales consultants at AM, we like to familiarize ourselves with all the machines that come in order to give potential clients a proper pre-sales experience. With new digital machines flooding the market consistently, it is important for us to fully understand the client's wants and needs in order to match them with the best digital solution. So understanding the client is just as important as understanding the machines.
And when it comes to purchase, what are the options?
AM offers various purchasing methods, such as online sales on our dedicated buythis.co.za platform, or direct online sales, which means you can call, email or WhatsApp us and we can assist with the online sale, or direct sales where clients come in and we deal with them on a face-to-face, which is preferable because we get to know our clients on a more personal level and we like that.
As you can see, here at AM, we're always consistently bringing in digital machinery and out. So part of our job as the sales team is to make sure that once a purchase is done, we arrange for on-time delivery with the client, or the client can come and collect the machine. Once that is done, then the technical support will take over to do the training and installation of your machine.
The after-sales experience is just as important to the AM. So what about that? It's refreshing to notice that most of the machines sold at AM come with a free training course. An excellent way to get the client off the starting blocks. Remarkably, the installation of the machines is also free. There's a 24-hour remote technical assistance service for all AM digital machinery, and of course a dedicated technical department for walk-in repairs, as well as local call-outs for the entire Southern African region.
How does the digital machine age affect us as technicians? Well, that's an excellent question. Let me tell you how it works. Look at it this way. You're in the furniture business and you're a carpenter. A door that would have taken you an entire month to make, with all the curves, all the edges and everything like that, would now take you maybe, let's say, an entire day to make 10 of them, with all the designs you wanted, with all the shapes that you need. Right. Now, us as technicians come in where we help you install the machine first of all, and after we help you install the machine, we're also going to help you sort out any problems that might be there. We're going to train you on how to use the machine, and after we train you on how to use the machine, since there might be breakdown, as this is a moving machine that continually moves every day with all that increase in the production capacity that you're doing. And let me remind you, even in your garage, you can be able to do this. So this is how we are helping the other entrepreneurs who may not need large spaces to do what they're doing, or may not have large spaces. Now we're going to train you on the machine, and if there are any breakdowns, we're going to be right here to assist you with any problems, from the software to the firmware to the hardware. And that's what we do here at AM.CO.za.
What is also highly advantageous is that AM has a dedicated demonstrations department based at the long-term client's factory. This is well worth a visit for newcomers and the more established clients alike. I went to find out more.
The main reason why we went to town with this beautiful warehouse and beautiful demonstration center for AM was purely because of my first purchase more than 8 years ago. When I made that purchase and I realized what such great machinery they sell, and after learning that machine so well, then following that getting a printer, it just became realistic to me that I made the decision to partner up with AM purely because I love these machines. It was really nice working with them, and they are fantastic for its price. As a customer, it's very important to be able to have demonstration and see the machine working in front of your eyes, and as well as testing it for yourself sometimes. is very crucial. Even for myself as a customer, I must be able to see the machine and actually visualize what I'm going to do with it and actually make sure it's going to work. So the advantage of having our demonstrations here at Landford Agencies for AM is a big thing, purely because we use these machines every single day. We know what the perks are, we know its limits, we know how fantastic they can be if you put your mind to it. So the result today is that because of this massive space, and the reason why we moved forward was that if a customer books a demonstration and they want to see that particular machine that we have got here on the floor at Landford Agencies, is that once they arrive here, we show them how the machine can operate, answer all the questions that they give us, and if we've got some time, we most definitely will test print on whatever material they bring us, and it definitely does allow the customer to be able to see the best capabilities of the machine while we're using it. And having a demo here makes all the more sense because we have got the space and we've got plenty of examples all around us.
AM is extremely proud of its progress and endeavours to keep its clients updated with informational videos on a constant basis. The company hosts a number of dedicated video channels such as sortit.co.za, softwaretraining.co.za, univision.co.za, Makers Lab TV, and Achievement Matters, this video channel. On this channel, local entrepreneurs are given the chance to showcase their works. Camera crews go out with technicians to capture fault finding and machine installations. Explainer and problem solving videos are posted on a regular basis. As are promotional videos on new products, accessories and spares. In fact, current and new equipment stocks and accessories fill the warehouse at AM on a constant basis in an effort to provide the local people with local solutions to local business growth, which is why AM constantly posts new videos on all of the digital machine types, resulting in an excellent platform from which to enrich one's knowledge on the machines and fuel the imagination with fresh ideas, giving clients an open gateway into the AM.CO.za way of life. Because Achievement Matters is not just a slogan, it's what advanced machinery truly wants for you. So subscribe to this channel today for plenty of ideas, insights into the world of opportunity, and embrace the exciting journey of self-enrichment, taking advantage of the digital machine age.